Hey, what's up guys? We're on a unique job today. We're gonna put a really cool metal roof system on this house, a system that's gonna be a lifetime roof. But while we're here, we're also gonna make this house more energy efficient. There was some issues with this house getting access to the attic, and so we're gonna do it while we're doing the job. As you can see, we removed some of the plywood so we can get in here and spray this house. Travis with Insulated is gonna talk a little bit about what he's doing to save this homeowner thousands of dollars, decrease the heat in the home, and make it more comfortable for this homeowner.
Hey guys, I'm Travis, the owner of Insulated Solutions. Jason called me, said he had a unique job. He had to do a re-roof and was wondering if that we could help out the guy make his house more energy efficient. After showing up, doing some walking, we came up with some good ideas. The best way to attack this job was to come up from the top side so we can actually access and give this guy the proper ceiling with the open cell foam. As you can see that we've pulled off the roof, we've had to take away the old insulation, which no longer has an energy efficiency, so we can access better for the spray foam.
This is a really unique thing because you can have an older house and still get the spray foam installed. It doesn't have to be a new house. And actually, if it's a hard crawl space to get into, if you're getting your roof done, we can remove it, get him in here and spray it, put a new plywood down and put your new roof on, and we've got your old house like a new standard house. Hey, what's up guys? We're done with this job. I want to show you what it looks like. I know I've talked about the chimney several times. It's finally completely complete. It just hasn't been painted yet, the brick, but I want to show you how it turned out. Really, really nice flashing, some detail here. The panels are awesome. You can see there's a cricket behind here. It's a two-piece flashing, so we got some expansion contraction room there. Really, really looks good. We got this area up here. But the roof itself turned out amazing. Our valleys are a one-piece valley on the 10-foot section of it. So it's got the cleat built into it. You can see the ridge cap. Just changed the whole look of this house. Really, really cool looking. Really, really nice lakefront home now. This house is unique because we took the roof off and we spray foamed the entire house, pulled off the plywood, spray foamed it, put the plywood back on. The homeowner said he's saved a bunch already on his AC. The house is much cooler. The way that this house is designed, there's not much attic space. The only way to spray foam this house is while we were doing the roof. So there was rooms in this house that were extremely hot and the homeowner didn't know why, but when we removed the roof, we could see there was no insulation. You couldn't even get into these areas. We were able to spray foam it and now put a beautiful metal roof system on like there is behind me.